Hey everyone, this is Dhruv Mohan and today I am giving you a quick overview for the Samsung Galaxy A52. Like always, I'm going to start by talking about the design of this smartphone. Samsung has drastically changed the design of the A52 when we compare it to the A51. The phone weighs 187 grams, which happens to be slightly heavier than most of its counterparts. Galaxy A52 comes with an official IP67 rating, which means it is water and dust resistant. Samsung claims that it can stand up to 1 meter in water for up to 30 minutes. The brand is offering A52 in multiple colors like blue, black, white and purple. Alright, let's move on and talk about the display on the Samsung Galaxy A52. We get a 6.5-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity O display. The screen supports an FHD Plus resolution. Additionally, we get a refresh rate of 90 Hz on the display, which comes in handy when you are playing video games. The display supports a max brightness of 800 nits. This results in better black levels. There is a stereo speaker setup on the Galaxy A52 which complements the display really well. Alright, let's shift our focus to the optics on Samsung Galaxy A52. On the back, there is a quad camera setup. The main camera is a 64 megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization. With this, you can expect crisp shots without any unnecessary distortion. This also enhances your experience of shooting videos with the smartphone. Then there is a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera that allows you to create a bigger frame for your shot. Moving on, we get a 5 megapixel depth camera which comes in handy for clicking portrait shots. And finally, there is a 5 megapixel macro lens as well. For those selfies, there is a 32 megapixel camera up front which will let you take high resolution pictures. So let's talk about the processor behind Samsung Galaxy A52. This smartphone packs in Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset. This is an octa-core processor which allows you to have a seamless user experience. The Samsung Galaxy A52 comes with Android 11 out of the box and is packaged together with Samsung's own One UI. It's time we talk about the battery life on the Samsung Galaxy A52. Samsung Galaxy A52 comes with a 4500 mAh battery that supports fast charging for up to 25 watts. Samsung claims that the smartphone can last up to 2 days. The Samsung Galaxy A52 is offered in multiple variants. There is a variant with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and then there is another variant with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Alright, so this was a quick overview for the Samsung Galaxy A52. For more such content, make sure to check